welcome back to another video of data science series. In this video, we are going to discuss what are clusters. So, what is clustering? Clustering is a type of unsupervised machine learning technique used to group similar data points together. It means we are grouping similar types of data together. I will be understanding this by example. The goal of the clustering is to ensure that data points within same cluster remains similar to data cluster centers. Cluster remains similar to clusters means cluster A contains as similar types of data, and the main goal of this is to the main goal of this is to remove remove anomaly by helping in anomaly detection. It is widely used in image compression. Now, k-mean clustering. K-mean clustering is an algorithm based on mean value. First, we will initialize the number of clusters. K means number of variables in a data set or data frame, and randomly initialize k centers. You can take minimum one and as many as you like. Assignment. Assign each data point to the nearest centroid, meaning if 2 is nearer to 1, we will assign the value 2 to 1. Update. Recalculate the centroids as the mean of all data points assigned into each cluster. Means the value all already present in cluster. We will recalculate the centroid based on the mean of values stored in a cluster. We will repeat assignment and update until unless no longer needed if the output is consistent or no longer changes or the iteration is least. It will be clarified by following example. Okay, so first I have initialized two centroids, red and blue. After round one of k-mean clustering, we can see that most of red are arrived at red centroid and most of blue are arrived at blue centroid. After round 2, it is clear that we have created two cluster with red and blue. The final one will be looking the same as the previous one. So, the example. Now import pandas as PD. We have imported four libraries: pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and sklearn library. From sklearn.cluster, we have imported k-mean. Our sample data. This is our sample data, which is random by numpy. Now we have defined a data frame, and we will be applying k-mean clustering by k-means, and we are defining three cluster centers. You can define as many as you want, but minimum should be one, and we will predict the features. Now we have plot the cluster. We will be plotting scatterly. Now we will define feature 1, feature 2, and cluster and verdicts. Now plot.scatter k-mean centers. It means we will be iterating over all the element without zero increment until unless new cluster center is found. And k-mean cluster center. It means we will if one cluster if one cluster center is found, we will increase by one or one value is inserted into the cluster. As I have given the red color to the marker X, means The cluster center will be indicated by X or red cross. Let's take a look. As you can see, there are three cluster centers and there are three cluster of purple, blue and yellow. And if I rerun the program, the output will be always different because as the new cluster center is assigned. As you can see that the output is changed. Let me run one more time. As you can see, the output is always different because the cluster centers are picked at random by our dataset. I hope you understand what is clustering and what is K-means clustering. Thank you all for watching my video. Please